All right, what's going on, folks? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we got a quick video on this 2016 Chevy Silverado 1500. This is finished off in high country trim. This does have the badass 6.2 liter V8 as well as an 8-speed transmission. A little bit harder option to find back in 16. All the upgrades will be listed directly on my website. You guys can head over there, DLUXmotorsports.com. Again, 108,000 miles, spray and bed liner, undercarriage in very good shape still. The body's in really good shape. This is finished off in pearl white. It's a little harder to see in the pictures. Give you guys a couple shots of the interior. I'm gonna walk around and see if I can find damage. I didn't really see much walking around it the first time, but anyway. Interior is fabulous. No rips or tears. No damage on the inside. One stain right there on the headliner. That may come out. It's something that we'll try to get out for sure. This is obviously equipped with a sunroof. Tires, tons and tons of tread. The right rear wheel, you have a few curb rash marks right there. These are Venom Power RTs, 37, 13, 50, 24s. So 24x14 hardcore off-road wheel. I know this truck got a new upper ball joint on this side. It's been through service top to bottom, so mechanically extremely good shape. There you go, you guys can see the pearl now. Yeah, buddy. Gorgeous truck in person. I would say that the, in person would look probably better than this video, even though this thing's being shot in like 14K or whatever the hell it is. Looks like we might have done, shit, we might have even done that upper ball joint. Anyway, factory power step boards. Again, look at the driver's seat. That's crazy clean for a 16. Smells good in here too. Heated seats, cooled seats, heated steering wheel, lane assist, radar, cruise control, I think it's called, some bullshit. Anyway, this is a decked out high country for a 2016, no question. Interior carpet in the back, pretty much like brand new. This needs to get mounted up over there where it belongs. Old cheesy ass floor mats. Might have to add some new floor mats here. This is like, that damn thing look like it's from Walmart. Might have to throw some RC ones in here, some WeatherTechs. Anyway, the rest of the headliner's in really good shape. Backs of the seats, extremely good shape. Overall, very, very nice truck for sure. All jokes aside, 108,000 miles. This truck will sell fast, I guarantee it. If you guys have any questions about this truck or any other truck that we have for sale, sometimes some of these trucks sell before I even get posted on YouTube. So anyway, if you guys have questions, call us direct, 843-697-7501. We're right here in the heart of Charleston, South Carolina, a little town called Latson. And we ship nationwide too. If you guys are out of state, don't feel like driving here, I will do multiple videos for you, driving videos, whatever you need to make the proper decision, and I'll ship this bastard right to your doorstep. Anyway, any questions, concerns, give us a call, 843-697-7501. Your boy Mark, DLUX Motorsports. I'm out of here. Peace.